Hi, bro. Oh my gosh. Why do I exist? I want to sleep.
Okay, Jersey.
I'm going down. Hey guys. So basically,
Okay, you can sit down. Hold on. Wait a second. You're not gonna walk. It's okay. Okay, jump. Alright.
okay guys. So basically, this is me and Jackie, and we're on what is it?
Nature.
That's the code of my freshman year. Yeah. We're on Highway Sabbath, and basically what we're doing is we're walking to. And we're going to a place, and my goal is to not walk the entire way and have people just carry me. And Lily's next. And yeah, so this is my vlog. Here, you can say something.
Hey guys. So basically, this is so cool. Wow. Like I really like this. Like, look guys.
So guys, how was junior year so far?
It's good. It's good. It turned off.
Are you getting tired? No, it didn't. It just blacked off.
Oh, okay. It's been eventful.
I can tell I'm gonna be tired this year.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Don't say that. It's not. Yeah. It's really not that bad, guys. Like, just don't miss any school, and then you'll be fine.
Yeah, did you?
Oh, actually.
And then Chris is after you, right?
Yeah.
Just say yes.
Yeah. Guys, this is so hot.
I didn't
So
put
hot.
It's this hot every year.
Yeah.
This is my
I just don't expect it.
This is your first nature Sabbath?
Yes, as a junior.
Girl, where have you been?
Home?
I'm always home.
She's always home. It's giving bum.
It's not willingly.
Okay, hi guys, I'm at Millie's back now. And I've been on other people's backs. And there's a car coming. Sophia's getting mad at us. Sophia, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, Maya's vlog.
Hi, Maya's vlog. Move to the grass. Say hi to my vlog. Okay, guys, it's hot.
Dang, bro, this grass gonna eat Sophia.
Okay.
Hola, vlog. We are out here in the last Hideaway Sabbath of this year. Here, we have Lewis. Lewis, how has this been?
Joe?
This is such a boring description. Basically, here is the outfits right now. We have pants from a thrift store, shirt from a thrift store, honey, and we got mi habichuelita de gelatina. We got my jelly beans. Mi habichuelita de gelatina. And guys, there's sweat beads everywhere. And here we got my. I forgot. We have Sevelin over there. Okay, and we have the whole gang right here.
And we have Denise. Let's say hi to Denise.
Hola, Denise or Denise?
Denise.
Say hola, Denise.
Hola.
Denise is so interesting. And we have Genesis over here, and Madison over here, and Jellybean playing with Martin. And we actually don't know where Legit is. Legit is over there playing soccer. I don't know if you can see him.
He's trying to be a baller.
Yeah, he's trying to be a baller. And everybody here is just chilling. And that's literally it, guys. There's been nothing crazy. Like, we ate burgers, and now we're just chilling, you know? The huge, you know? We got Charia. Yeah! Charia and Rosemary. And Chashley over there. And yeah, guys, that's the update right now. Maya, you wanna say anything?
Give the camera to Denise.
Denise! Maya wants you to vlog.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh,
What the heck? Are you serious?
it died. No, it didn't. Yes. Okay.
Okay, I'm vlogging everyone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here with I Say.
That's so
Yo!
cool! Miren. Graba.
And we're here with Navita y Cebolla.
Whose is this?
Maya,
Maya Wong, Maya Ching Chong, Maya.
Ling Long, Ni Hao, Maya.
Wong Hei Hao.
Sai Bao. Sai Bao.
I'll try again.
Sai Bao.
Oh, is that yours?
No,
Oh, wait, who's this? This is cool.
Maya Wong.
Hey, it was good. Wait, where's Maya? This is cool. Dang, I look so chopped.
Let me see. Hey guys, we are at Almost Anything Goes. And this is our senior year, our last year wearing pink. Let's say hi to the vlog.
Yo, what's good?
Louis, how do you feel about our senior year?
A little stressful, but we gotta YOLO it into last year.
What do we feel about this moment right here, right now?
Not gonna lie, I'm a little excited. It's a little stinky though.
Whose is it?
It's a Johnny's.
Oh.
But you know what? It's fine. Vegas can't choose us.
We cannot win. We have to win.
Almost Anything Goes.
Don't put your finger on that's the mic.
That's the mic? Okay. Well, so yeah, we're all super hyped and we all lost our voices. Well, actually not all of us. I think Maya can still talk.
I can still talk a little bit, guys.
I can't talk. And yeah, so what's it called? The camera's about to die, so we gotta go now. But we're having so much fun. And yeah, we're gonna see you guys next time.
Live reaction to possibly winning. Guys, finally! Guys, we'll see. We'll see if we win.
Finally.
We'll see if we win. last almost anything goes complete.